I've seen the birds before, and this is pretty freaky. So, these are all, holy shit. There's like 100 birds on my front lawn. This is creepy. Sorry for the language. Wow, I wonder what they're all... This is ridiculous. What are they all doing out there? This is like the birds all over again. I am so gonna get mauled if I walk out this door. Can you hear them? Oh my god. Oh my god. This is ridiculous. Holy crap. I wonder what they're all... Wow, this is so weird. Look at them, they're in the trees and everywhere. Oh, wow. Holy crap. Wow. This is going on YouTube. Yeah. Alright, this is really creepy. I feel like this is the birds. They're just gonna start flying through the window. Wow.